Hello guys, welcome to my channel. God bless you. This is the unique home solutions and more. Have you ever finished making toilet cleaner only to discover that it's too watery? Before you throw it away or start again, let's look at 5 common reasons this may happen and see what you can do about each one of them. Number 1 reason why your toilet cleaner may be watery is due to incorrect ingredient measurement. When the water is much more than it's supposed to be, or when the caustic soda or sulfonic is less than you are supposed to be using, the tendency for the toilet wash to be watery is high. Number 2 is wrong mixing order or timing. When you are supposed to spend enough time mixing the ingredients to ensure that they are completely dissolved, when you shorten this time, definitely it will affect the end product of what you are doing, you are producing. Number 3 is poor or incomplete formulation. Now, you need the right ingredients in the right proportion to get the expected result from the toilet wash you are making. So when the formulation is wrong, either by using the wrong ingredients or by using less quality or less quantity of the ingredients, the tendency is that the toilet wash will become watery. Number 4 is almost like it but different. That is low quality or unsuitable raw materials. Now, some materials may be the suitable ones, but the quality may be low. If you go to chemical dealers, they really have different grades of these chemicals. So it takes you understanding the quality and the grades that will give you the best yield. So when you go to the chemical dealers, you talk like somebody that is in the know to buy high quality grades that will be suitable for whatever you are producing. Then the next thing that may cause your toilet wash to be watery is not allowing it enough time for the product to develop. These things undergo chemical reactions and it takes time from the beginning to the end of the reaction. So you have to be patient enough to allow the product to develop properly. Some of these products is when that process has come to the end that the consistency can become thick. That is why you always see in my videos, I'll say give it time to cure, give it time to mature, give it time to develop. All right, so these 5 reasons may be responsible for the consistency of that watery toilet wash. Now, when you turn all these things around, and then you can correct your next production. Thank you guys for staying with me to this point. Please like this video and share to your friends. I would like to hear from you, so please, I will be at the comment section to hear from you. Drop your comment below. Which of these reasons have you noticed that affected your last production? And then tell me the practical steps you are taking to ensure that that mistake is corrected in your next production. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you. Like this video and share to your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe if you have not. And watch out for our weekend series every Saturday by 4 p.m. We'll talk about ideas and small business establishment. Thank you. God bless you. Bye and see you again in my next video. Thank you.